So, as you know, today we have a Saturday, and it has been our tradition that on every Saturday
सर एक चीज बोलनी है बस सर
we
सॉरी
we have only speaking classes, speaking session. So, and our topic is given to you. What is the use of technology? So, I think the students of B23 can also speak on the same topic.
सर एक चीज बोलनी है
But if they are not able to speak on the topic, okay,
गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग। चलो मैं
सर व्हाट
टेक्नोलॉजी
द
वाला,
टॉपिक?
हाँ टॉपिक मिल गया भाई। द
क्या
यूज
मिला
ऑफ
सर?
टेक्नोलॉजी,
ओके
ये है B20 वालों के लिए। और B23 वाले क्या करने वाले हैं, कैमरे चालू कर लो अपने अपने। B23 वाले क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले तो अपने मोबाइल में जाओ, मेरी आईडी पे जाओ, और कल जो आपने फीडबैक लिखा था उसको डिलीट कर दो। केवल अपने लिए डिलीट करना, मेरी तरफ से नहीं, फटाफट से डिलीट कर दो। फीडबैक जो आपने कल लिख के भेजा था उसको डिलीट कर दो, ठीक है। और आपका जो टॉपिक है B23 वालों का, वो है आपका फीडबैक। डिलीट कर दो उसको जो लिखा था आपने। ये आपको फीडबैक देना है अपना आज इंग्लिश में, ठीक है। कल मैंने आपका फीडबैक हिंदी में ले लिया था, उसकी इंग्लिश आपने मेरे को भेजी थी। तो अब आपका B23 वालों का टॉपिक है फीडबैक, और B20 वालों का टॉपिक है टेक्नोलॉजी, द यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। क्लियर? और नाम डालने शुरू कर। अब बोल अन्ना, क्या बोल रही है?
सर आपने तो ऐसे बोला था आप मतलब बात करवाओगे
नहीं नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला था बात करवाऊंगा। फालतू बात मत किया कर तू।
अरे
ऐसा
सर
मैंने कभी नहीं बोला कि मैं बात करवाऊं। कब बोला था?
वो इंग्लिश मतलब आप किसी और लोगों से बात करवाओगे
नहीं नहीं, हाँ वो था, लेकिन वो पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ अभी, है ना।
ओके सर
दिमाग से भी निकल गया मेरे। एक्चुअली मैं किसी को अरेंज कर लेता, पर वो दिमाग से निकल, कल याद मेरे को दिलवा देते आप तो फिर मैं फिर भी आज भी अरेंज कर लेता, पर अब वो दिमाग से निकल गया था मेरे। एक्चुअली पिछले सैटरडे को तो कोई आने वाला था, वो आ नहीं पाया। दैट पर्सन कुड नॉट कम द लास्ट सैटरडे। फिर मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया। कल आप मुझे याद दिलवा देते कि सर किसी से इंटरेक्शन करवाना था, तो मैं कर लेता अरेंज, पर अब एकदम से अरेंज होना मुश्किल है, ठीक है।
यस सर। सर वो सर हाँ इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुआ था सर।
और नहीं हुआ था ना, वो कल क्यों नहीं याद दिलवाया आपने मेरे को?
सर सर मेरे को याद तो आया था पर मैं फिर याद दिलाना भूल गया सर।
बस तो फिर याद था और याद दिलवाना भूल गया, फिर कैसा याद था वो? अब आप मुझे नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को, फ्राइडे को याद दिलवा देंगे,
यस
तो
सर।
डेफिनेटली आपको हम अरेंज करेंगे, अगले सैटरडे को किसी ना किसी को बुलाएंगे।
ओ डोंट वरी सर, वी विल मेक यू रिमेम्बर दैट।
यस, वेरी गुड। सो आज का टॉपिक मैंने बता दिया है आप लोगों का, और नाम लिखना शुरू कर दीजिए। आई हैव गॉट द नेम्स ऑफ हर्ष, रक्षित एंड हर्ष, रक्षित, वैष्णवी और अन्ना। और बाकी के लोग भी लिख दें अपना नाम। आप लोग B23 वाले भी बीच में लिख सकते हैं, वेट मत करो कि भाई इनका हो जाएगा जब भी लिखना है। कैमरे चालू रखेंगे सब अपने अपने, और विदाउट टेकिंग परमिशन नो वन लीव द क्लास। कोई भी क्लास नहीं छोड़ेगा। अटेंडेंस आपकी लास्ट में करूंगा मैं, ध्यान रख लेना, ठीक है। बिना परमिशन के कोई भी क्लास छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा, चाहे 6 बजे, चाहे 6:30 बजे, चाहे 8 बजे। पिछली बार भी कुछ लोग चले गए थे, मैं भी टाइम खराब नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। कोई भी नहीं जाएगा, एक भी नहीं। प्रॉब्लम में आ जाओगे फिर आपको पता है फिर मैं क्या करता हूँ। समझ में आ गई बात? जाना है, परमिशन लोगे मेरी आप, और उसके बाद जाओगे आप। बिना परमिशन के कोई भी नहीं जाएगा, एक भी, चाहे कितना भी बच जाए। ध्यान रख लेना इस बात को, समझ गए आप? कोई है इमरजेंसी तो पहले परमिशन लेंगे आप मेरे से, फिर आप जाएंगे, ठीक है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडे स्पीकिंग सेशन, एंड we are starting with Harsh, and I have told you the topic for B20 technology, the use of technology, and for B23 your feedback. Okay, कल मैंने आपको समझा दिया था फीडबैक में क्या बोलना होता है, कैसे बोलना होता है, ठीक है ना? क्लियर है ना बात आपको? सो ओके, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद हर्ष. कम ऑन हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal. I am going to tell you about use of technology. So, as we all know that today the biggest weapon of every country and every man is technology. Because with the help of it, we can do any work. We can do any work by just sitting at our homes, and we will get the compliment of others for that. And technology is just not just a word. It describes the whole process. It describes the whole process and the achievements that has been achieved by science in this century.
Hmm.
Because by the help of technology, we can talk to someone. We can uh, we can talk to someone who is far away from us. We can make videos. We can capture moments. We can entertain ourselves. We can make our life easier. Everything that we are seeing today is directly or indirectly connected to technology. Like the chair on which you are sitting, the mobile which you are using, the computer which you are using, and the battery you are using. Everything is technology only. Be- and it helps us in many ways. Like for us we are now students, and we all use technology for our studies, for going from one place to another. uh, for our study we use mobile phone tabs, ebook, and we buy crash course which helps us a lot in improving and boosting our studies. For transport, we use Uber, Ola, Rapido, etc. These helps us in mo- this these helps us in making our movement faster. And for elderly people, they have they have specs which have lenses which improve their eyesight, and we have books. We have all the books, newspapers, magazines, and everything we want in just our hands because of technology. We can live our life easily in summers, winters, in every season. Like in summer, we can use heaters to warm ourselves. In summers, we can use ACs, fans, and coolers to cool ourselves. And there are countless uses of technology, but there is a say that human needs are unlimited, but the resources are limited.
ध्यान से सुना
So
करो सब. जितना
so
ध्यान
we
से
should
सुनोगे उतना क्लियरली बोल पाओगे. हाँ बोलो.
should use the technology in a way that it is preserved for the future generation, and it remains sustainable for all the all the upcoming generations. And but many people uses technology as a evil. Like there is there are cyber crimes today which are increasing with a high growth rate. And this is not good for us, because in this way government may take strict actions that can restrict us from using technology. But it will create a huge movement for everybody in this world, that if technology is gone. So we should not use it in a bad way, and we should take as much as advantage of it, but not disadvantage. And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. ओके, ध्यान से सुना करो आप, अगर अच्छा बोलना है तो आपको. ये नहीं अपना अपना सोच रहे हो बैठ के. कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the topic, the use of technology, or you can say technology. So, we all do know that what is the role and importance of technology in our lives. Like most of the things we use in the today's time are uses the tech, and like we use the first thing that is in my hand, that is mobile. We all use mobile, and it is a type of technology that is made by humans to make their lives easier. So and if we if we starts to count examples of the importance of technology or the role that technology plays in our lives, so it will go too far. So by this we can know that technology has developed. Technology has reached at a place in this time that that 100 years ago anyone couldn't think that what is
No
this,
one
like
could think, ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा.
no one could think that what is technology and how far technology can reach.
Hmm.
Like like 100 years ago people had many resources, but didn't know much about how to use them. But as the technology developed and human brain also developed, people started to make good use or to make more use of resources by, and they discovered many things. And in this way, and for these things, the inventions that comes in the field of technology played a very important role, and now also plays a very important role.
Hmm.
Like we know that many things in our surroundings, in all around us we use, are made in factories and somewhere else. So in factories, there is less human work, but there is more of machine work. So what are machines? Machines are a type of technology. Uh, so we can say that machines have lessened the work of humans and helped humans in many ways.
Hmm.
Like in any sector you can see that, like in education sector, now there are computers. A big computer is a big example of technology, that computer is used in the education sector, which has made many things easier, like the checking of answer sheets, the making of papers, all have become easier and than before, like we can say. And like in medical sector, many equipments have come that made the treatments easier than before.
Hmm.
uh, so and now the technology is developing day by day, it is not stopping. And now we can see a new form of technology. Like before it, there was the technology of uh, uh, like there was the technology that we give the algorithms and task to digital products, and they work according to that. But now we have discovered and artificial intelligence and machine learning that has its own brain, that can develop its own answers by using the previous data. So so now we can, and we know that most of the work, and now a lot of work is being done by the use of AI.
Hmm.
And now now it is very important for people to learn the use of technology, to learn the use of AI, because it is very important. So at last, I want to say that this is the era of technology. So we should all know the use of technology, and we should all try to learn about technology. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. दूसरे लोग सुन करके समझने की कोशिश किया करो क्या कहा जा रहा है. ध्यान रखो इस बात को. अपना नहीं सोचना है, मैं बार बार कहता हूँ इस बात को आपको. लिसनिंग भी बहुत जरूरी है. क्या कहा जा रहा है उसको समझने की कोशिश किया करो. और B23 वाले भी समझ सकते हैं. अब ऐसी बात नहीं है कि नहीं समझ सकते. देखा करो क्या कौन सा टेंस यूज हो रहा है, कौन सी डिवाइस यूज हो रही है, कौन सा क्या यूज हो रहा है, क्या इसका अर्थ होगा, लाइक दैट. जल्दी इंप्रूव करोगे. कम ऑन वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening, all my friends. I'm Vaishnavi, and today I'm describing a few lines about the technology. You know, if we talk about the technology, it's a very, important for us. And you know, in this era, it's a technology era. And if we talk about the ancient time, there was no, network technology. So how did the people, send their messages, their transport, or goods, etc.? So if we talk about the ancient time, the people send their, goods and messages through the, letter, or like if we talk about the transport, horse, birds, eagle, and etc.
Hmm.
And now I'm come to the point that is technology.
I am
You
coming. वर्क
I'm
फ्रॉम का ध्यान रखो बेटा. हाँ.
coming on the topic that is technology. Technology is very important for us, and it is increasing day by day. You know that science has given us many,
साइंस हैज गिवन अस. बेटा थोड़ा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो.
science has given us many, uh,
गैजेट्स,
many
मैनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स.
instruments like fan, cooler, AC, TV, and etc. And we can't live without technology. And when we feel very bored, so we can watch TV or mobile phone, or
Hmm.
and if we feel very hot, or so we can switch on the AC or cooler or fan maybe. Okay.
Hmm.
So the technology is increasing day by day. And the AI, there is era of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. With
Hmm. Hmm.
the help of AI, we can solve and we can find out any question regarding our subject, like mathematics, Sanskrit, or English, and etc.
Hmm.
And AI is very helpful for us. And uh, and technology is very important for us. And now I'm talking about the disadvantages of technology. You know that
Hmm.
uh, if we if we if we use the technology more, so our life become very
Dependent.
hectic, dependent. And you can see there are many cases like cy- cyber crime, or cyber crime. Some people make the some सर गलत उसमें फोटोज बना दे, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Edit photos
Edit the photos
and
and
misuse them.
misuse them, and they hack the our account, like bank account, Insta ID account, Facebook ID, and etc. So we should use the technology in a limit. And uh, the technology is according to me, technology is very good, but we should use in a limit, because it affects our life so much. And so at last I want to say that we should use the technology in a limit. And don't misuse the the others account, or edit the pictures. Thank you sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा. आज बहुत अच्छा बोला. मैं अक्सर लोगों से कहता हूँ कि इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि जैसे इन्होंने कहा ना कि लोग मिसयूज कर लेते हैं. फोटोज अपने कभी भी नहीं डालने चाहिए. अपने फोटोज, अपनी फैमिलीज के फोटोज कभी भी नहीं डालने चाहिए. ना किसी रील में डालने चाहिए, ना कहीं अपने को उस पे लगाना चाहिए. वो डीपी आप क्या बोलते हो, कभी नहीं लगाना चाहिए. मैं हमेशा इसीलिए वार्न करता हूँ, ये बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. ये बार बार मैं कई लोगों को कहता हूँ कि ना सोच समझ के चीजें आप डालो सोशल मीडिया पे, कई बार बहुत तकलीफ देने वाली चीजें हो जाती हैं वो, इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ आप लोगों से बार बार। दूसरा कोई कंसर्न नहीं। फोटो, अपने फोटोज तो बहुत रेयर ही डालने चाहिए, बहुत रेयर, ध्यान रखें इस बात का। हर चीज की, एवरीथिंग हैज इट्स टू साइड्स लाइक अ कॉइन, so we must be careful at the time of using such things. Okay, so now I am calling Anna.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today I am telling about technology. As you know, all of us are user of technology.
Shabash.
We use TVs, phones, and many things. Like in earlier time, there were no fans.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ ऐसे अच्छे
There
से।
are natural, um, natural wind.
हाँ,
And today there are not only fans, electric fans, ACs, coolers, and I cannot I cannot say that much facilities are there in our life. As you know, that if in today's time there is many much of hot, so we cannot live without AC and fans. Fans, as you know, in by technology there are not fans. There are if you are in if you are in any that problem, uh, if you have blood cards, blood proof cards, you can be say you can सर बचने को क्या बोलते हैं?
you can avoid,
You can avoid by any problem.
by
So as
you
you know,
can avoid many problems. हाँ,
you can avoid many problems. You cannot count how many how many things technology has given us. Like at early time there were not not sofas, beds. There were only, सर खाट को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
cot, cots.
Cots only. But in today's life, bed, not only bed, how much facilities are there?
How many?
How many? And I am telling about disadvantage of technology. As you know, sometimes many people, not one or two, many people are there in today's life, like they hack our they hack our IDs. um, uh, um, the second disadvantage of facilities are that मतलब technology are is that children forgot how to play outside. Only phones every time. When mama says to play out, they only said that they don't have time to do anything. They are only playing the games, etc. So at the last, I want to say, yes, you use this is only for your use, but not use like misusing of it. So that
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, वेरी गुड। आप B23 में से भी अगर कोई इस टॉपिक पे बोलना चाहे तो वो बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? बाकी टॉपिक तो मैंने दे ही रखा है आपको।
सर मैं जाऊं?
हाँ बेटा, यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today, my topic is the use of technology. As you know, that technology is increasing day by day, and you know very well that that is AI, which full form is artificial
Which नहीं,
intelligence.
whose full form?
Yes, sir. Whose full form is artificial intelligence. It helps us to make our life easy and to solve any mathematics question easily. And as you know that the the rule of the the Britishers ruled on us, and the technology were adopted in India by the person of Britishers, because they brought many technologies in India, like railway network, steam engines, etc. And as you know that it is blessing for Indian person, because many technologies things help us to saving our our valuable times, and it help us in many way, like that we can we can take class the using of mobile phone, which is made by the people, and it is helpful for us, because we can call, and we can join any group using of mobile phone, and technology is very important nowadays, and there are two side in a thing, like one is bad and one is good. As you know that technology is good for us, but in limit, because we use more technology, it would be harmful for us, like that AI is best for students, because it solve many questions in less time, but in the sense of bad, it is harmful for student, because a student can't grow in in developing himself, and it stop the mind of a student, and because every student use AI for solving many questions, and many things, and most of the student work their homework
Do their homework.
by using AI, and as you know that everything is, as you know that technology is best or not, because it brings happiness for many persons, because we can see that in the summertime we can avoid summer season, and the technology also increased in the time of 5-year plans, and as you know that the government was the 5-year plans were gone by the government, and in it there were many benefits, and nowadays it was banned. In the place of it, Niti Aayog also is doing work, and as you know that technology always increasing day by day, because of many people's research many things, and
Search many things. Research nahi.
yes sir, search many things, and as you know that electronic items, which is best for us, because it help us in many things, and as you know that we can buy many things by using mobile phone, and we can purchase many books, clothes, and food, etc. And as you know that the transportations the use of transportations
Transportation
which
नहीं, transportation uncountable होता है वो. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
The use of transportations, we can see that we can go anywhere in less time, and by using technology by using technology we can always save our time, but we if we use technology we will spend a lot of money, and sometime technology is harmful for a person, because a person if a person if a person doesn't have money, he or she will not purchase any precious and expensive things, and and technology develop our country in many sense, and
Hmm.
if we use technology we will find a good position in the world. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, आज तो काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट है तुम्हारा. कीप इट अप. यस, पिंकी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today I want to tell about tele.
टेक्नोलॉजी.
Technology. Technology is very important role in our life because science has given technology. It is very useful for all in the world, and it use every person.
It is used by every person.
It is used by every person, and they it solve our problems like that. Most of the student they solve our problems by it, like study and our problems, etc. And it uh, it used
It is used.
it is used in business,
Hmm.
like AI. AI I can make everything in AI,
Using
like
AI.
using AI.
Hmm.
Like I can use AI most of the time, and most of the time I need banner and hashtag and best line for Instagram, and I suggest AI, and I give my business post, and it suggests me, and and television, sorry, it is very useful for all people, and it is very dangerous for us, like that many people hang our account, like
हैक
that
हैक हैक
hack
नहीं, हैक. हाँ.
hack account, Instagram account and bank account, etc.
Hmm.
Like now uh, many news many news coming in nowadays, like many people account, Insta account are
Are hacked.
hacked, and we should we should we should we should use some AI, because it is very dangerous for us,
Hmm.
and it is very also it is very useful to us, and technology technology is a great power of world,
Hmm.
and we we shouldn't give our post in Instagram, like, and Facebook, because it is very dangerous, and many people hang hack our pictures, and they convert other picture, they can convert other picture. And that's it, sir.
Okay, very good. कोशिश क्या करो ऐसे. Yes, now I think this is the turn of Khushi.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about use of technology. You know very well, technology is very important thing today's, and everyone use it, whether it is students, scientists, doctors, everyone. So it is help it is help us in many
Helps
ways.
us.
It helps us in many ways, like getting promotions and business growth, and in many things, and with the help of it, we can get news informations in a second on Google. And technology, today's technology create job like AI coding and data and marketing, etc. And we can see that our prime minister and our prime minister has declared their views on social medias for all Indians, and everyone has two part. One part is bad, second part is good. So we should use in a we should use in a we should use in a limit, and now a lot of schemes and plans are being made by our governments, and technology is technology helps us in many ways, like we can talk any times, we can talk to other any times anywhere, and it helps it cook, like transportations, traveling, cooking, everything's faster and easier, and it is save our time.
It saves our time.
It saves our time, yes, sir. And that's it, sir.
Yes, Simran.
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, myself Simran, and today I'm giving my views regarding technology. You know as well, technology.
You know well.
You know well, technology uh, is a great thing in this era, because this this is the AI era, and technology developed by many scientists and uh, technology gives many tools and uh, by uh, by them we can do many things and many tools like smart gadgets and many machines and many uh, messaging apps and learning tools. Uh, we can take many examples of it, uh, like we can take easier example, smartphone and computer, uh, because mm, smartphone is a main gadget, and by through smartphone we can do a lot of things, like uh, we can book rides through it anywhere and in any situation, and it is good for especially girls, because sometimes they have fear in late night, sorry, at late night, and uh, uh, for technology we can do many works and um, uh, we can पाना you can sir पाने को क्या बोल
बोलो ना, we can get
we can
focus
get
रखो अपना बिल्कुल ऊपर का।
we can get many jobs through it, because because nowadays we can see many सर बेरोजगार को क्या बोलेंगे
unemployed, workless, jobless persons.
unemployed unemployed and many workless persons
एक ही बात है, वो
and
अनएम्प्लॉयड कह दो या वर्कलेस पर्सन कह दो, एक ही बात होती है, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप।
yes sir, and uh, they do their work through it, because many companies do their work uh, online, because they sometimes they can't reach many 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 places, and they uh, when they use technologies tools and uh, by it many people mm, earn money, and uh, they do their online works, and we know we know as very we know very well uh, by through technology, our government our governments our government do many develops, and um, uh, our country now going, sir, ऊपर को क्या बोलेंगे,
Going ahead,
our
up,
country
developing
going
so much.
developing so much by it, and uh, uh, technology mm, by technology uh, many हाँ sir, by technology many sir, many students use many students use it, and um, uh, they use it for their uh, for their clear their doubts, and they
They use it for clearing their doubts. ऐसे बोलोगे ना, फोकस करो, थोड़ा फोकस कम लग रहा है मेरे को भी. हाँ,
you know the latest example of technology, online classes, because through technology right now we take we take online classes, and by it we can do many things, and we can use it is in many ways, uh, uh, like we can develop our many skills, and uh, but you know everything has two sides, bad and good sides. So technology also, you know, it increase day by day, but it has some bad things, and like cyber crime, and it is the greatest example of
misuse
it.
है. हाँ, ठीक है, बोलो.
And many bad person use it, many misuse, and you know sometime we don't think about it, like we edit, sometime we do creatable things, we try to editing our photos, and many things, our photos, and we do it uh, on ChatGPT, Gemini, and many tools, and we thought when we delete it delete for it uh, permanently, but
का मतलब भी वही था. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आप बोलो.
but it never deleted
It is never deleted.
it's never deleted permanently because it have some functions and uh, by by them uh, it stores our whatever we search and whatever we edited things uh, and sometimes some hackers hack our information and they do some wrong things to, by our photos and our information. And you know, cybercrime now this is it is a danger for all for alls and uh, you know, the government sir भ्रष्टाचार nowadays the government have corruption because I I I saw an example in my village. It is related to cyber crime. A, if one day uh, mm, when I'm when me sir
Relax.
okay sir
आराम से.
when in I सर मैं अपने घर में थी सर.
When I was at home.
Yes sir. When I was at my home when suddenly I listened some voices and it is the voice of policemen because that time comes police for some for complaint and they arrested my my elder bro because uh, he was a सर टिप्पर को क्या बोलेंगे he was a gamer and he sometime he was do some wrong things but so that's why the policemen arrested to him and but you know in this time the corruption was the level of because when we offered 4 lakhs they didn't agree to सर छोड़ने को they didn't leave him and but when we offered 8 lakhs they agreed. I don't know why but the corruption you know so that's why we didn't share our any information on we should alerts and we should aware for it that's
घबरा जाते हो, थक जाते हो। कोई बात नहीं, और ऐसी चीजें शेयर नहीं करनी चाहिए कभी भी पब्लिक मीडिया में। ओके, पर्सनल चीजें बहुत कम शेयर करनी चाहिए, ऐसी चीजें शेयर नहीं करनी चाहिए। कम ऑन गौरव, गौरव, गौरव।
सर हाँ।
सो गया था क्या?
अरे सर ये माइक खुल नहीं रहा।
बोलो, और कैमरे चालू करो सब अपने अपने।
अरे
कैमरा
सर
किसी
देखो
का बंद नहीं
कैमरा
रहेगा, बिल्कुल नहीं बंद रहेगा कैमरा किसी का भी। नहीं, मैं रिमूव कर दूंगा यहाँ से,
सर।
एब्सेंट लगा दूंगा, रिमूव कर दूंगा मैं। कैमरा किसी का बंद नहीं रहेगा।
यस सर।
सो जाते हैं ये बताओ? हम आवाज लगाते रहते। कैमरे सबके चालू कर लो अपने अपने।
सर मैं सो नहीं रहा।
सो नहीं रहा तो बोल, आए बोल बोल बोल।
हाँ सर एक बार सर मैं नेट वाली जगह पे जा रहा हूँ सर थोड़ी देर।
यही तो बात है, थोड़ी देर भला। कैमरे चालू करो अपने अपने साहब। खुशी, अनुज, आरुषि, कैमरे चालू करो अपने अपने। कैमरे चालू कर लो, इसका मतलब तुम नहीं हो यहाँ पर। अगर कैमरा बंद है आपका तो यू आर अवे। मैं रिमूव कर रहा हूँ आपको, फटाफट से कैमरे चालू कर लो अपने अपने। आप क्लास में हो ही नहीं, सो रहे हो आप। देखो कहीं तो अभी उठे हैं। अनुज कैमरा चालू कर लो अपना। यस, कोई कैमरा किसी का बंद नहीं रहेगा। जल्दी कर भाई, बोल।
हाँ सर। So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is
देखो सो रहा था ना,
technology.
सो रहा था ना।
कौन है?
चल चालू हो, बोल बोल। अभी तो तू बोल, बाद में बात करूंगा तेरे
हाँ
से।
सर।
और बैठ
अरे
जा,
सर मैं
मोबाइल
सो नहीं
सामने रख
रहा
जा, सामने रख दे मोबाइल को। हाँ ऐसे बैठ जा आराम से। अब बोल।
था। So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is technology. Yeah. So technology
5
is
मिनट लगा दिए सेट होने में इसने। ये है टेक्नोलॉजी।
2 सेकंड लगाए हैं।
2 सेकंड लगाए हैं, अभी भी नहीं सेट हो रहा है। तो गाय भैंस है क्या जिसको सेट होने में 10 मिनट लग जाते हैं?
अरे सर और रजाई से सेट कर रहा हूँ मैं।
मैंने कहती ना, रजाई आ गई ना बात सोने की।
अरे सर मैं तो अभी इस रूम में आया, मैं तो नीचे था।
नीचे था, बोल अब तू।
हाँ सर। So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is technology. So technology is one of the most important miracles that has not miracle, one of the most important things that has happened, that is being that is invented on our earth. So technology is improving day by day and it's growing exponentially. Like what we couldn't achieve in the past 1,000 years, we achieved in the past 100 years. What we couldn't achieve in the past 100 years, we achieved in the past 10 years. And it's just going on and on exponentially. And nowadays AI is also growing day by day and is versatile and flexible to every single field. And technology is not just about AI, but how AI is making its place in every machine and every field. Like doctors are using it, students are using it, teachers are using it, and schools are using it, businesses are using it, and normal adults are using it for normal day use and normal day questions and doubts. That if a new cook asks that how much chili and how much sugar or how much salt I would need to make this, and how much ingredients I would need, so AI would tell them. And if the students has a doubt in maths or English or science or SST, he can also ask it. And if mid surgery AI has to detect some faults and mistakes or some threats, it can detect mid surgery. So doctors don't have to look at mid surgery and get distracted by it. and also teachers can use it to make their teaching more effective, and also you can just normally you can make, and also business many entrepreneurs are also small entrepreneurs or big entrepreneurs are are using AI just to make their posters and make their punchlines and make their marketing and make their product style and all those things more user friendly and customer friendly, and how customer psychology works. But but everything that has born or being is invented on this earth has always a bad side. Like every single thing. Why? And technology and AI also have. If I talk about technology, we are just going on and leaving our mind behind and just dissolving or just being dependent on technology for everyday uses. Like if I gave an example of a student using AI to solve problems and solve their doubts. But what if that same student wanted to do his all the homework, all the academics, all the syllabus with just AI? Wouldn't his mind uh, wouldn't his mind be affected by it? Wouldn't he lose his thinking power? He would be just dependent on that single AI. He can't think then. He can't think that how this thing can be written like this. He only needs the AI made version. And yes, in this era, AI is still under development. It is always improving, always learning from its mistakes.
Very nice speaking.
So it can make mistakes. It takes time to upgrade its data sets. If a thing happened in your syllabus or something today, so AI will AI will take time to process it. Like it will take 1 week or 2-3 days to process the information, because AI is so because the server data sets of one AI are so big, and they will take time to process and bring it in front of you. And also sometimes AIs are outdated and don't know about certain things, and they only know about the past or certain things that are not very known in the world.
ग्रुप में इसमें मैसेज बॉक्स में कोई भी मैसेज नहीं डालेगा. कोई भी मैसेज आपको डालना है पर्सनली मेरे फोन पे डालो. मैसेज बॉक्स में कोई भी मैसेज नहीं डालेगा. अपने नाम के अलावा कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे आप. आपको परमिशन चाहिए कुछ और बात है, डायरेक्ट मेरे फोन पे आकर के लिखो आईडी पे. बोलो बेटा.
यस सर सर कट हो गई थी आईडी. इसका कट हो गया था सर.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
Yes, sir. So, where were we? Yes, sir. So he would lose all his mind and then depended on that single AI, and AI would also take time to process the new information. Now let's do on businesses. If we are dependent on AI, wouldn't if it made a mistake, all your profit and all your investments are gone. A single mistake, a single technical mistake can ruin your business entirely, because business depends by pillar on pillar, investment by investment. A single investment can ruin your business, and a single investment can boost and make your business viral. It's very risky. And also, if you are fully dependent on it, what if it provided outdated information, just like the student case? It can happen. Anything can happen on this earth. And also, now let's take the teacher case. Just like a student, wouldn't the teacher be dependent on that single AI? Just like the student, just same as the student. Wouldn't he just be dependent on it, and he would also lose his teaching habit and all these if he or she is only using the AI and not using their power. But if they are using it little by little,
कैमरे चालू कर लो अपने, नहीं तो
if
क्लास से छोड़ दो. बार बार नहीं कहूंगा आपको, मैं रिमूव कर दूंगा आपके. क्लास छोड़ दो आप, कैमरा बंद रखना है तो. बार बार मत कहलवाओ मेरे से, अब के मैं रिमूव कर दूंगा किसी का भी कैमरा बंद हो गया तो. बोलो.
and also
आपको
if
जाना है आप चले जाओ,
and
कैमरा
all
बंद नहीं रहेगा और दिखोगे मेरे को पूरा. रक्षित कैमरा चालू कर लो अपना, और अंजलि तुम भी डिस्टर्ब मत करो हमारे को, नहीं तो जाओ आप. फ्री हो, इससे पहले कि मैं रिमूव करूं आप फ्री हो जाओ. फ्री हो, मैं फ्री कर रहा हूं आपको, जाओ आप. एक बार बोल दिया, दो बार बोल दिया, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फॉलो नहीं होते क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस? सारे बैठे हुए हैं ना यहाँ पर कैमरा चालू करके. आप क्या मंगल ग्रह से आए हो क्या? नहीं लेनी क्लास, छोड़ दो अभी, जाओ छोड़ के. यू आर फ्री. बार बार एक ही बात कहलवाते हो मेरे से. जाओ जाके सो आराम से, मंडे को आ जाना. डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो पूरी क्लास को. बोलो गौरव.
yes sir. So if the teacher is using it bit by bit and sometimes a week or sometimes a day, then it's fine. You can use it. Sometimes human also make errors. Sometimes AI do. Sometimes technology. And now we will take the case of a doctor. If just imagine the light went out. So what would you do? So I'm not saying that don't use AI. You can use it, but also don't let your main power and subconscious power and the critical thinking and the immediate response of your mind go. Don't let it go. Yes, don't be dependent on that single AI and don't misuse it. Just like others said that how people are misusing the AI. I don't wanna repeat.
पढ़ो मत बार बार, रिमूव कर दूंगा यहाँ से. नींद आ रही है, सो जाओ. बोलो गौरव, 3 बार डिस्टर्ब कर दिया आपने. मुझे नहीं पता, पूरे देखो आप. बोलो.
Yes, sir. And just like others said that AI can be bad if you misused it. But I don't want to repeat it again and again. Everybody is saying that. So you know, if you are listening carefully, you know that how AI can be misused. I don't want to repeat it. It depends on you. And AI also depends on you, that how AI can damage you and how AI can make your life useful. Not useful, but can make your life easy, but not just a repeated life, not just a dependent life. You can use AI to help and like a friend, to help you and guide you in some situations, but don't be dependent on it. One technical issue and your all the investments and all the time can waste. So that's what I would like to say. That's thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग. बहुत अच्छा बोला है. सुना करो थोड़ा.
Sir,
वेरी नाइस परफॉर्मेंस. अब बोलो.
Sama मेरा अभी तक मेरे को 10% है.
मुझे नहीं पता ये सब कुछ, आपको पता होना चाहिए. सैटरडे की क्लास थोड़ी लंबी होती है. अब अपना चार्ज कर लो फोन. मेरे भी 10% रह गया है. फोन चार्ज करके रखो अपना. ये आपका काम है, मेरा नहीं है. अब आपका काम है, आप मैनेज करो इन चीजों को. 10% हो 20% हो मुझे पता नहीं है. एब्सेंट लग जाएगी, क्लास छोड़ दी तो. यस, कम ऑन अंजलि. क्लास नहीं
Yes,
छूटेगी
sir.
बिल्कुल भी, किसी की भी.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name.
बोलो अंजलि.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is technology. The technology is so useful for us, like in studying, business, and college, and making banner, posters, and other things. But you sometimes you misuse it, like every time using it like for homeworks, you every time just doing it, like do it simple, do thing, that do thing that. But we are, if you think, we are seriously losing a critical thinking are that came us naturally. We should not get dependent on that, because if we lose that, we can't take it back. We can't take back. We will have to take 4 to 4 years to take that critical thinking again. If we fully lose that, and it can make it can make critical. It can make your mind so much effective. Like it will say you, or sometimes it will you praise you for just anything. It will praise you, so you will like it, and like you just saying it is praising me, so it is good AI and
शाबाश. हाँ.
good technology and things. But we don't think, that it is seriously taking our mind into that unnecessary talks. So whenever we will open our phone for any useful thing, we will just go at AI and write like, I want to make a letter to my boss. I want a PPT about that to my boss. Like it is using in also politics. Like one time, like Modi got a award, and that was fully AI made it. Like we can even see like a kid, 1 year, 4 year kid can easily understand that is a AI, because it is having so much spelling mistake. Even the name of PM Modi is seriously wrong, and it is like so much not good. And it can, if we using it like for timetables. Recently, I was using it for timetables. Like it will make a timetable. So it will make something wrong. So we will say at that time it will that. At that time when that, like at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. it is my class. We are seriously saying that are personal talks. We are telling to that indirectly if we say it. So we should not do this. We have to just make our own self my timetable if we wanted. Or see videos to just sir just for inspiro. So you can make it okay. It can be like this. It can be like this. But we should not tell our personal talks or anything secret to AI, because it can spread anywhere. Like even in our picture, like face, we can edit that, but sometimes it can spread anywhere. And if you search something, it can go at your if you search yourself, and if you put your photos or videos on social media, if you search on Google of that, there will be so many names. But if you find yourself, there will be if you find yourself in Google, so think so many people are seeing you, and it can and they can make anything. Yes, they can misuse of AI. Now, but AI seriously can make mistake, but people are using it too. But
we should aware of that thing. Like they can make you anything that can be put in social media, like without your permissions. Like if you're putting something on your social media of your photo, so you're taking your permission. But that they're not taking your permission yet. We are thinking they're not putting you on any of search engines or something. But indirectly, if we search in Google your name, or if you find yourself, please try to reduce that your photos, or put something like cute, like nature photos, DP. So anyone think that if you are having no DP, so anyone think that we can do anything that is just a normal thing, and we should not put our things on that Facebook, Instagram, especially on YouTube, because YouTube has so many people downloaded, and in every phone it is. And you think hackers also use it? They can take your pictures, they can take your anything.
Very good, nice speaking here.
If you put your personal talks on it, you will say that I'm having my that, I'm having this, I'm having this. What will happen? It will go on social media. But they're indirectly taking your not permission things. If you're sharing it, if you're sharing it, it is so harmful, and comes in cybercrime. And by that hackers can access it. Now if you search your name on Google, so hackers will also do it there. They will do anything, and do anything with your photo or something. And and AI in Gemini, flexibility, and so many AI are there. Like even Google search engines are making that. But we never think the search engines are not good. Like it is for questioning, it is for anything. There can be a technical issue, and if you are following if you're following that something, you will lose your time. If you lose your time, critical thinking, and yourself also, you will be dependent on that AI. Sometimes some people left their friends for that one AI. Don't think that if the AI is misusing of them, so to whom they share. They can share your friends. The first name will be get friends, and you left that thing. So that we should be aware and should not follow it. We can just improve on it. We can solve it. It can help you, but don't misuse of that. Thank you.
She is the youngest girl. बहुत डांट खाई होगी इसने मेरे से, शायद इसके बराबर तो किसी ने डांट भी नहीं खाई होगी मेरे से, कभी नहीं। इसके बराबर तो किसी ने डांट खाई नहीं होगी मेरे से, जितनी इसने मेरे से डांट खाई होगी, और आज भी खा लेती है कभी कभी। सबको पता है B20 वालों को कितनी डांट खाती है मेरे से। वेरी गुड यार, रियली लव यू बेटा, कीप इट अप। आदित्य B20।
Yes, sir. Very bad. Good evening, sir.
सर वेरी वेरी, कौन सी इवनिंग?
Bad.
बैड क्यों, क्या हो गया? तेरी कुटाई हुई है बेटा?
अरे नहीं सर, ऐसी बात नहीं, तो ऐसी बोल रहा हूँ
इसमें
सर, वो तो मैं ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ।
ऐसे ही बोल रहा है, बोल।
Hello everyone, my name is Arjun. Today's our topic is about technology and disadvantages.
अभी सबने आपको सुना है, पेशेंटली आप भी सुनोगे।
And disadvantage and advantage of technology. So as you know that first I am telling about the advantages of technology
in ancient time, Indian peoples can't imagine. They always think that we can't development. We can't development. Uh, our country we always lower than the Britishers, but now we can see that when we when we develop our our things in technology and AI, we invent new things and other and we and you as you all know that our scientist in I think in 2020 our scientist India was first country who make the antidote of corona and how we can do it. We develop in technology and we see it how to help our person uh, who get this illness and other things. And now a time so many people expert in tech, especially a owner of mobile phone stall and a and a businessman who that persons are very sharp in tech, and they never, and if any hacker person give any OTP and uh, any messages, they 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 understand in 1 second it is a scam, and I think I put on RBI and other things. And in banking and finance, technology is very nice because suppose any person who forget their card in any place, and anyone steal it, and then he search about me and see that I do a job and I get salary on 1 June and other date. So then they go 2 June and get the money for my ATM. And then if I think that where is my card, and then I go to bank, and then uh, they again try to take money from my ATM. Uh, my phone tell me your anyone steal money from your ATM, and so how I know who anyone take money from my ATM. It is technology, because now a feature in my phone which tell about the that anyone if anyone steal money from my ATM, they inform me. And after in healthcare and and other and every every daily life we use technology. Especially children use help technology to solve their questions and do homework. But I think, but uh, now, but we solve questions by our brain. Now we tell the technology, this question I can't solve. You give me the solution and give me the answer. So they give me the answer and solution, and in shortly in very funny examples. So we can't forget that things. And after in disadvantages, we all we think about the all the boys think about them becoming a hacker, but it is not possible, because in technology so many thieves expert in tech and other things, so they can, so if they always try to take steal our data and all the documents of banking which is related to banking and finance and other things. So so if so uh, I think they without any message and OTP, they can steal my they all my informations and other things. So I think if you so I'm always so we should always we should always secure that things and never share our pin code and other things with other persons. And if we anyone ask your pin code, so we always so we say that always say that why do you want to take my pin code, and what what do you want to do with it? So they can't give answer. If they gave answers, so you always say that I am very I am very unemployed person. I have not money. So 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 we always check their data and other information, and and at last we see that he is not unemployed. He do a job and very big job, but they they want to our they get 5 lakh rupees, but but they want more money to become a rich person. So if so so we always do hard work, uh, and we get a good job. You can get money with your own through your own work, not any other person. And that's it, sir.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश यार, very good, very good. Yes, come on, and now the students of B23. So come on, Ronak, बस थोड़ी देर के बाद थोड़ा पेशेंस रखें हम लोग.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ronak. I am a student of Ramban English Interactive classes. Today, I give feedback on this class. When I first heard online classes, I wondered how I would be able to learn English. There was fear in my mind, but I did not give up. I have decided to learn English. In the first class, sir asked why I joined this class. I said that I have difficulty writing and speaking English. Sir replied that you will learn. I had trouble for the few days. It has been 4 months since I joined the online class. I learned a lot in 4 months, just as sentence, identify direct, indirect objects, personal pronoun, relative pronoun, modals, etc. Now I can speak myself in English. Not only this, but I can also speak my parent, my grandparent, my sister and brother, etc. I can also speak well about a place, my culture, etc. In the end, I want to thank sir for everything. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, कीप इट अप, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। काजल कहाँ गई?
गुड इवनिंग।
आजा
ये रही।
आजा आजा। हाँ,
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, sir. My name is Kajal Barra. I study in Raman classes. This is my topic feedback. Uh, I want to say that, sir, when I first joined online classes, I was very scared. You know how is online classes? Then I
thought past tense यूज करो, इसीलिए तो फीडबैक करवा रहा हूँ तुमसे। जो पास्ट टेंस सिखा रहा हूँ वो यूज करो यहाँ पर अभी। हाँ,
I have learned. I have many learned things from you, like direct, indirect, models, passive, active, etc. I cannot proper speak English, but I can speak some English. It has been 3 or 4 months since I joined online classes.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, बोलती रहे। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा, इतना कम नहीं होता है बेटा, बिल्कुल जीरो से उठा के यहाँ लाए हैं आपको। हाँ बोलो।
और sir, teaching is good also. Online classes is I started online classes
कोई बात नहीं, अब समझ में आया टाइम पे क्यों करना चाहिए काम। मैं कुछ कहता हूँ तो क्यों कहता हूँ, समझ में आई कुछ बात?
हाँ
आई
सर।
तो समझ में बात?
हाँ
आ रही है ना बात समझ में?
हाँ
चीज होती है, हर चीज अपनी जगह इम्पोर्टेंट होती है बेटा, ध्यान रखना लाइफ में।
यस सर।
हाँ आरुषि, बस 5 मिनट और, 5 मिनट ज्यादा नहीं लगेंगे, खत्म होने वाला है। आरुषि कम ऑन।
My name is Arushmina. I study in Raman Interactive Classes. Today's my topic feedback. Before joining your class, I did not know English at all. Reading, writing, and speaking English very difficult for me. I joined your classes 4 months ago. Now I can understand English much better. You taught us how to use that models as in have to use etc. You also taught use how to make sentence and write paragraphs. You teach in a very simple and easy way. If we do not understand something, you explain it again. My sister have also joined your class. They also enjoy your teaching because you explain every in a simple and easy way. Because of you my confidence has grown. Now I can read, write, and speak a little English. Thank you very much, sir. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। बस ज्यादा देर नहीं लगेगी, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलेंगे। तो टेक्नोलॉजी पे कुछ बच्चों की कैपेसिटी होती है, वो ज्यादा बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट टाइम हम टाइम लिमिट करेंगे सबके लिए। अभी बस 2 जने हो रहे हैं, 2-3 जने हो रहे हैं, बस ज्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे। कमोन आदित्य, आर्यन।
So, Bolu, my name is Aryan. My today's topic is my feedback. When I come in first time class, I am scared and
अरे तो पास्ट
sir
टेंस यूज कर ले
say
थोड़ा सा, थोड़ा ध्यान भी रख लिया कर। कौन सी बातें प्रेजेंट में बोलनी है, कौन सी पास्ट में बोलनी है बेटा, बोलो। फोकस करा करो थोड़ा सा। अभी देखो छोटे छोटे बच्चे कितना अच्छा बोल बोल के गए हैं। फोकस करो जरा टॉपिक पे, कौन सा टेंस है, कौन सी टेंस की हम बात कर रहे हैं, बोलो फटाफट से। ये मालूम है आपके खेलने का टाइम हो रहा है, लेकिन कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, अगले सैटरडे से थोड़ा सा ठीक करेंगे। बोलो, टाइम लिमिट रखेंगे अगले सैटरडे से।
when I come first time in class, I am scared.
I was scared.
I was scared. I just thinking I can't make sentence. Then sir says you can do, and when I am doing, sir tell about tenses, models, and use of the type work and etc. So sir says me about some things, and I like the class, like some time the class like fun class and sometimes angry. Sir learn me to making questions, learn the WH words and use of the we have and etc. First, in my school, there are children talking English, but I can't talk. But I am now talking in English for like 50 or 70%. Okay.
कोशिश क्या करो थोड़ी सी मिस्टर, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी। आप मेहनत कम करते हो थोड़ी सी। आदित्य।
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya. I read in class 7th. My topic is
feedback. When I come to coaching for this first time, I did not know anything.
Very good.
Sir told me don't word. सर रोने को क्या बोलते हैं? रोने को crying बोलते हैं ना सर? Crying. It you went to learn properly. Sir, and I used to so I stayed playing. सर ध्यान को क्या बोलते हैं?
कंसंट्रेशन बोलते हैं, फोकस बोलते हैं.
Concentration. Little by little. I started studying at the coaching center. Then sir taught me a lot of things and taught me how to speak English.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. सुन लो आर्यन, कहाँ है आर्यन? देख लो कितना परफेक्टली यूज कर रहा है टेंस को, पास्ट टेंस को.
It has been
हिंदी मीडियम में, यू आर इन इंग्लिश मीडियम. देख लो, केवल फोकस और इंटरेस्ट का अंतर होता है.
it has
कितना यूज कर रहा है पास्ट टेंस को, देख लो.
it has been 4 months since.
देखो कितना अच्छे से वर्ब फॉर्म को यूज कर रहा है ये. डांट खूब खाई है, रोया है ये. फर्क ये तुम रोए नहीं हो, तुमको कभी डांट नहीं पड़ी इतनी. यही फर्क है.
Then sir told me not to chat.
Not to cheat.
But I cheating. So sir kicked me out for the class.
काजल, इसके बराबर तो कोई रोया भी नहीं होगा बेटा. अब देख लो इसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है.
Then I started crying and said, "Sir, please take me back into the class."
ओरिजिनल स्पीकिंग है ये इसकी, कहीं से कोई टिपा-टापी नहीं कर रहा है ये. जितना कॉपी करके पढ़ोगे उतना कुछ नहीं होएगा, परफेक्ट नहीं होएगा कभी भी. हाँ.
But I did not leave the class because I wanted to learn English. That's it.
Very good. देख लो काजल और आर्यन दोनों देख लो, एक ही बैच के हो तुम. कितने परफेक्टली इसने वर्ब फॉर्म को यूज किया है. चलो रौनक तो बड़ी है, सबके सामने है रिजल्ट. मैं कोई उसको अलग से थोड़ी करवाता हूँ कुछ भी. और जितना ये रोया होगा उतना तो शायद कोई नहीं रोया होगा मेरी क्लासेस के अंदर. कम ऑन अनुज.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today's topic is technology and its uses. So, first of all, we have to know what technology is and what it truly means. So, technology is the use of human knowledge or human tools that makes technology to go further.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल का बच्चा है जो बोल रहा है अभी. करना पड़ता है मेहनत, चीजें करनी पड़ती है तब जाकर के होती हैं चीजें. अपना एक पैशन लाना पड़ता है. यस, मुझे करना है अच्छे से, तब जाकर के चीजें होती हैं. बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. So technology is not going to end anywhere, and technology is in day-to-day life. Whatever we use is the result of technology, and what we will be using in the future will also be the result of technology.
गलतियां नहीं निकलती हैं इनकी, हम ढूंढ ले तो भी बहुत मुश्किल से गलतियां निकलती हैं। और बहुत कम बोलेगा लेकिन अपनी सारी बात कह जाएगा। सीखो, इसीलिए कहता हूँ सुनना सीखो। हम भी ध्यान लगा के सुनते हैं जब ये बोलते हैं तो। बोलो बेटा।
So, as I have mentioned that technology is the use of human knowledge. So, whenever a human gains any knowledge, so he or she doesn't just keeps it or stores it. He uh, he or she makes it come out in a form of any invention or discovery. So that is what so-called technology is. And in like the so-called technology items can be a pencil or a wheel. A wheel is the most suitable example for human progress, because wheel changed everything in the human evolution. So yeah, so technology is all about making human life easier and complete tasks in less time. And the so-called technologies are machineries, industries, the technology in medical science is all about technology. And the most so-called technology is communication in today's time. And internet we all are familiar with. So technology, there is no end of technology, and it's as necessary. It is as necessary as
Very good.
like
Positivity. Very good.
so when the sun sets, it doesn't mean that it's over. It rises again. So technology is also like that. We have come to 5G, so it's not the last one. We would go further to 6G, 7G, or 8G. So this is what technology is. It's never going to come to an end. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। देखो मैंने कहा था ना थोड़ा बोलेगा, लेकिन देख लो, सुना करो। जब तक सुनोगे नहीं, जब तक कुछ नहीं होगा। इसने शायद जिंदगी में कभी भी नहीं सोचा होगा कि ऐसी अंग्रेजी बोलने गए। प्योरली फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट स्कूल। प्राउड फील होता है इनके ऊपर। इनकी मेहनत है, हमने तो रास्ता दिखाया है, वो चले हैं उस रास्ते पे, इसलिए प्राउड फील होता है इनके ऊपर भी और खुद के ऊपर भी। कमॉन खुशी, दिस इज शी इज द लास्ट। बस उसके बाद फ्री करेंगे सबको। कमॉन नेक्स्ट टाइम टाइम लिमिट करूंगा मैं। B20 वालों के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बोलने लगे हैं। हाँ
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today my topic is my feedback. I have to join this class only 6 or 7 months. Before joining this class, I didn't know English,
वेरी गुड।
but now I can speak English. This this is the best decision of my life. I learned many new things. This class has helped me a lot. They they give homework daily. I write paragraphs. This every week. This is there is a speaking class every Saturday. That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. All have taken their turn. Now you are free. You may leave. Class is over. Take care. Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir.